Hello guys, welcome to our channel. If you really want to get a six-pack abs as soon as possible, then this video is for you only. Here in this video, we had shown 10 most effective exercise which you should try to get abs within 7 days. So watch the video carefully and don't skip any part of this video because each and every second of this video was important for you. So here it is. Abdominal muscles have always been the quintessential token of being fit, the focal point on which people fix their forward stares and fitness-related goals. 1. Crisscross Crunch. The Crisscross Crunch is a triple threat in that it tones the entire abdominal wall, tightens the oblique muscles, and burns a decent amount of calories because the entire body is involved in the motion. To get the most out of this abdominal workout, it's crucial to maintain proper form by not letting your abs cheat by bringing your knees in any further than your hip joint. 2. Russian Twist. Do a few reps of this home ab exercise and you'll know exactly which muscles are working, and it will quickly become apparent why this move is so effective at whittling waistlines. The lower back also has to chip in to complete this motion, meaning your obliques and lower abs won't be the only sore muscles. 3. Reverse Crunch. Toning lower abdominals can be tricky, but this bodyweight exercise manages to do so effectively. The reverse crunch engages the lower ab muscles in a much fuller range of motion than any other sit-up. Because of the support that the upper body provides in the lifting motion, the deltoids and triceps also get a bit of a workout. 4. Pilates Side Hip Raise. This Pilates move can serve as an effective hourglass exercise because of the way it tightens the obliques. It also simultaneously works the outside thighs. Work your way up to the hardest version for the most benefit. 5. Flutter Kicks. Calling upon the abs muscles comprehensively, this movement also increases hip flexor strength, and increases lower body flexibility. Flutter kicks can be a great way to tone the stomach and slim thighs at the same time. 6. Jackknife Crunch. Jackknife crunches are an efficient way to strengthen the upper and lower abdominals concurrently. Do the motion slowly, with an emphasis on smooth and controlled motions in order to get the most gain from your efforts. 7. Running. Though not your standard, straightforward ab exercise, running can be a great way to tone your abs. For one, running burns a lot of calories, which can help you shed any excess body fat that might otherwise conceal your ab muscles. 8. Pilates Teaser. This is an advanced abdominal workout as it requires strength, balance, and flexibility. Once you have built up baseline core strength, this is one of the best moves to take the challenge of your routines up a notch. 9. Double leg circles. Double leg circles is another very effective way to tone lower abdominals without any equipment. Not only does it tone lower abs, but it also engages the entire core and even builds strength in the hips, thighs, and rhomboids. 10. Pilates Oblique Crunch with Leg Raise. This is an awesome total body exercise that is especially fantastic at toning the obliques. The lower body also gets a good workout. This Pilates exercise can slim both outer and inner thighs. This list was built with the entire core in mind, upper abs, lower abs, and obliques included. Try this exercise from today itself. All this 10 exercise has the power to build a six-pack abs within 7 days. Now it's totally up to you that how you will do this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Always stay safe and healthy.